Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the white screen in CapCut PC to make the white place. Alright, for example, I'm going to select this video and sorry, um, many noise in the video. Alright, go to library, select the white screen as an overlay put on top. I get sorter and copy paste, give a distance, copy paste again, give a distance, and so on until finish the video. So, and here we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. Yeah, that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please type in the comment section and below. Thank you so much for watching.